guys. I'm doing a puppet review because I'm gonna start making videos with these puppets. I'll tell you the names and the like personalities. So this is Puppet Yeti. He's like a cool kid, and sorry. I'm gonna have to get a friend to help me hold the camera because yeah. Yo, I'm here. Am I late for school? So that's Yeti. I'm gonna have to get a camera holder, maybe my sister. I'm here. So that's Puppet Yeti. And this is Chameleon. Kamik. This is Kamik, the chameleon. It's like the nerdy guy. I'm like so bored right now. Can you do some math? So yeah, that's Kamik, the chameleon. And this is like the fat chubby guy, like kind of the cool kid. He really likes as a friend puppet. I don't know. Can you guys make up a name in the comments below, because I might do Puppet Yeti. It seems pretty good. This he wants to be a friend with Puppet Yeti. This is Trotso. Yep. And he's a beanbag. This is and this man, he's, I don't know what he is, but he's pretty sad. He corrects the teacher and stuff, and him and Kamik the chameleon. But he is no one understands him. Oh, so I'm gonna do videotaping with all of these guys. Yeah. Main character Puppet Yeti. I'll get more puppets, and I'm starting a new series of puppets called Chef Retard. When I get my puppets in my birthday, so can we hit 4 subscribers, because it's almost my birthday. I know we can do it. And because I'm releasing a new series of puppets, yeah, a bunch of famous people, they do puppet reviews, like Super Mario Logan and Super Mario Odyssey. Yeah, the mushroom logo guy. It's a mushroom logo. I'm doing some videos right now. And this is also Minion. He's crazy. He's always asking the teachers for bananas. And I don't know what he's gonna do, but he's a minion. And this, you guys could think of a name in the comment section below. Yeah. So all the guys get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I will release a new character. It is Mish. Don't care. I don't know what's his name gonna be. He's always has anger issues. You guys can make up a name for that too, I guess. And so, see you later. Peace out.